Hey, it's Daniël-James. For those of you who don't know me, I'm downtown Windsor here, but I've got a company called DJM.Design. We've done marketing campaigns that have blown off the roofs of things and then some that have not done so great. And I just love walking around here. That's where the lake is at. But I'm going to talk to you today about obviously the Maximize AI workshop and how it is for business owners, entrepreneurs. But I've been having a little bit of cognitive dissonance. I've been having a little bit of frustration in the whole topic. And we've done like 2 to 3 of these events and we've been learning a lot. I've been asking people a lot of questions and a lot of us are feeling the same way. Like, I need space from AI. I need the ability to have my own mental disconnect. And so in this event, there's about 25 to 30, sometimes even 50 entrepreneurs who show up. But what you don't know is it even is an online type style event. So what that means is after the fact, people can go back and watch and engage. And the best piece in the actual sessions is what we call the breakout Joshua walk. Everyone stands up in twos and they talk about like what's one thing that they can do within AI, not just tools, right? Like, how do you make a second brain and leave your notes there where your GPT still has context? How do you do a 2-day intensive and reform your whole team on how to use the stuff? Like, you need someone to be that conduit for your brand, and that's what we do there. We even are having little guest speaker spots. We're having people share on stage, get to network, because it's online and live. You get to network or re-watch or go be part of the pre-runs. And for the sponsors who are out there, we even engage you guys on the podcast side. So we give you that ability to really like go the extra mile and enjoy what we're doing. So we wanted to do that as an open invite. You can build like custom packages around what that is for you and say, hey, like, you want this reach or you want to be doing a survey on the stage or a trial, like we can discuss that and make it happen. But also it's going to live on, right? And so I've been putting healthy boundaries between AI, between the hype, between the tech, all the things that are distracting us. So for you to get back into it, I just wanted to thank you and also let about some of this VIP stuff this time around. You guys can check that out. Get registered. It is a really dynamic place to be involved with. One more mural. Look at this. That's amazing. It's beautiful. So we get away from technology so we can enjoy this stuff, right? And that's the goal. A lot of the testimonies, people were like, hey, I've been learning how to connect with humans, connect with relationships. So I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.